क्या आपको पता है कि भारतीय महिला क्रिकेट टीम का एक छक्का सिर्फ मैच ही नहीं जिताता बल्कि भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था को भी मजबूत बनाता है। मैदान पर भारत की बेटियां रन बना रही हैं, लेकिन क्या आप जानते हैं कि उनकी जीत करोड़ों करोड़ों रुपए की आर्थिक गतिविधि भी पैदा करती है। तो आईसीसी वुमेन्स T20 वर्ल्ड कप का भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था से क्या संबंध है? इसका जवाब आपको चौंका देगा। क्रिकेट, महिला सशक्तिकरण और आर्थिक विकास, तीनों का ऐसा कनेक्शन अभी हम लोग प्रस्तुत करेंगे जो कि अर्थशास्त्र के हर छात्र को जानना चाहिए। So let us start. So, how Women T20 World Cup is powering India's next economic discuss. There was a time when major cricket tournament meant one thing for the Indian economy, that is structural absentees. Millions of people suddenly calling in sick cubicles and nation entirely glued to TV screens watching the men's team. But it is 2026 and the script has completely changed, flipped, as the ICC Women T20 World Cup heats up. A massive geopolitical and economic shift is happening right under the noses. This is not just about the superb cover drive or a thrilling final over win anymore. The roaring success of the women in blue has become a pervading metaphor for India's macroeconomic reality. Fast paced, high yielding, resilient, and unapologetically dominant momentum. In economic circles, India's currency is stealing the global show. According to latest economic survey, India's GDP growth is rocketing forward at an estimated 7.4%, holding on to its crown as the fastest growing on the earth. Finance experts call this growth anchored by double engine, a private consumption and massive domestic investment. Coincidence? Look at India cricket lineup. The women's team no longer relies on a single superstar to save the day. The explosive power at the top order combined with a lethal discipline bowling depth means the team runs into its own double engine when consumption, that is the batters in cricket, and the investment, the bowlers, click simultaneously, records drop and GDP climbs. Multi-million dollar or purple dollar market. So you got a new word, purple dollar market. For decades, brands poured billion exclusively on men's sports. Today, the commercial viability of women's cricket is an absolute gold mine, fundamentally shifting consumer behavior. The ad expansion prime time slots during the Women's T20 World Cup are seeing unprecedented ad rates. Brands are not just treating it as a social cause anymore. They are fighting for eyeballs because the viewership demographic has expanded exponentially. The streaming surge, millions of fans are matches on their smartphones. The massive spike in digital traffic feed directly into India's robust services sector, which lifted India's March quarter GDP to a staggering 7.7%. More streams mean more data consumption, higher telecom revenues, and an absolute party for the digital volatile world is the another point. The global economy is facing a rough patch. The World Bank recently slashed global growth forecast to 2 point, citing geopolitical conflicts. First, developing nations are anxious, yet India stands resilient. Why? Because of internal strength and deep domestic demand. The exact resilience is what defines a T20 World Cup match when the top order collapses under intense bowling pressure. The middle order absorbs shocks, rotates the strike, and launches counter-attack. The Indian economy is playing the exact same match on the global stage, absorbing international macro shocks and turning them into steady boundaries. So, scorecard world 2026 global economic growth easing to 2.5%. India's economic growth projected at a roaring 6.6% to 7.4%. The takeaway: while the world plays defensive test cricket just to survive, India is playing high intent T20, clearing the boundaries with ease. The Women T20 World Cup is proof of what happens when you invest in raw, untapped potential. For years, female workforce and female sports in India were under-leveraged. Today, women are anchoring consumer spending, spearheading startups, and pulling in millions of stadium spectators. So the next time you cheered for a spectacular wicket by the women in blue, remember, you are not just watching a game, you are watching a mirror image of 4 plus trillion superpower finding its stride, breaking records and refusing to back down. Chuck the India, both on the pitch and on the stock exchange. Isn't it? Agree or not? अगर आपको लगता है कि खेल केवल मनोरंजन ही नहीं बल्कि आर्थिक विकास का भी इंजन है, तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। कमेंट करके बताइए, क्या भारत महिला खेलों में और अधिक निवेश भारत को करना चाहिए या नहीं? आपकी क्या राय है? थैंक यू।